There is breaking news coming in. The principal of Mumbai's St. Xavier's School has been arrested for allegedly indulging in an obscene behavior with a 6-year-old girl student. Look at these pictures on your television screen. Angry parents and guardians went on the rampage at the school in Mumbai's Andheri area. They ransacked the school. Parents alleged that the police did not act despite the complaint being registered 4 days ago. The principal of St. Xavier's School was taken into police custody by a local court order. He is now in police custody till the 15th of September. India Today's Mustafa Sheikh now joins me with the latest. Mustafa, take us through the charges against the school principal. How did they become public?
See, basically this 6-year-old complained to his mother, after which she brought her to the school and then tried to communicate with the management of the school, but they didn't give a good response. That's after which she went to the MIDC police station and she registered a complaint. The complaint was registered on Monday, and this incident dates back to 31st of August. The alleged complaint is of molestation and inappropriate behavior with a 6-year-old boy of the school, who is a student of that school. This school, St. Xavier School, is in Andheri, and that's where the incident has taken place. After the complaint was registered, the Parents-Teacher Association members were insisting on the arrest of the principal, but they cited that the police is not taking enough action. That's why they went to the school, they protested there, after which the police reached the premises. The principal of the school was arrested. He was produced before a local court, and then he has been sent to police custody till 15th of September for further investigation.
Are your police sources being able to explain, Mustafa, why was action not taken against the principal when the complaint was made initially?
See, at this point of time, after making the arrest, the police is saying that they were verifying the comments, the complaints which were made. Basically, they said that the complainant is a 6-year-old. He or she can divulge false details, or there can be some misappropriation in the statement given. So that's why they were verifying before making this arrest. And though the case which has been registered is registered under a very stringent section, so there can be no excuse in making the arrest. But then the police is saying that they were making verifications which took time. Till that time the protest happened and the arrest took place.
Mustafa, keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more.